Alright guys, today I've got something different planned for you guys for this video. I made a couple of arrangements and I've asked my client to bring down his Audi S3 in for an interior and an exterior detailing. He's let me know that the car is quite dirty on the outside as the wheels are caked in brake dust and the inside is full of mud. So we're going to give it that full transformation with our maintenance package and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Now, if you're at home and you're watching this video and you want to wash your car, but you don't know where to start, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you a step by step on how to do every single process to get your car from looking like shit to new. If you do like this video, hit the subscribe button as it would help us out a lot. If you do have any questions about any part in this video, put it in the comments below and I'll reply to it in the next video. So as always, let's crack open a bottle and let's get started. I'm really spending my time on the tyres over here because the main thing I want is to get out all that mud. If that mud is still there while I'm putting on the tyre shine, it just won't stick. One thing I recommend is investing in a good wheelbarrow brush. This will save you a lot of time. The last thing you want to be doing is putting more effort into the wheelbarrows just to get all that brake dust out, when you can just buy a good wheelbarrow brush from the start and it will do the job easier for you. You can see here that I've changed out the barrel brush for an even thinner one. This is because the caliper's on the side of the wheel, which means I can't fit my big wheelbarrow brush in there. The good thing about this specific product is that it offers two different sizes, so instead of wasting time finding two different wheelbarrow brushes, you can just get both of them at the same time. I do recommend getting both sizes because if you're running a business, you need to be ready for any type of wheel that comes your way. Here I'm making sure I'm using the softest brushes on the market that I could find. I need to make sure that I'm not scratching any of the alloys and that I'm taking my time on each spoke so that all that brake dust has come out. You'll also see me switch out the bigger brush for a thinner and harder one. This is just for the corners of the wheels and for the brake dust which needs more force. Now let's rinse it off and check the results. Now I need to rinse and refill all my buckets, get ready for the next stage of the detail, which is the exterior. This is my rinse bucket and that's my clean bucket, and I'll fill this one up halfway and I'm going to fill this up with just a little bit amount of water to lubricate all that shampoo once I put it inside. I usually put my pre-wash in a 5-litre pump sprayer. This next step I don't usually do in the winter. I'm doing it now because it's quite hot and the product is drying a lot more quicker. You're going to think I'm wasting time over here, but I'm going to pressure wash the car from bottom to top. I'm going to use the power of the pressure washer to guarantee that that dirt is 100% taken off. Now, a few tips for the contact wash. Firstly, don't add too much pressure to the paintwork. Secondly, you want to go in straight lines and not circles so you're not causing any swells or scratches. Once you move from panel to panel, ensure that you're washing the wash mitt every single time using the grit guard in the rinse bucket and then dipping it back into the clean bucket and going back with the contact wash again. Also notice how I didn't use the wash mitt on the bottom of the car. Even after all of them pre-wash and snow foam stages, there will still be dirt there, which means you don't want that dirt getting onto the wash mitt. So I recommend going over all the panels first and then using another wash mitt to go under the bottom of the car. I used many drying towels in the past. This is by far the best one and it helps me to clean at least 2 cars with just one towel. It's 1400 GSM. I got no clue what that means, but it does the job and it's perfect for detailing. So if you do want it, I'll put it in the description below and you can try it out yourself.
Shit.
Looking satisfying.
Only one bit left, only one bit left. Sheesh.
Now let's check out the end results.